Staff members of Makam Hospital and Research Institute undertook the repairing of roads stretching from Longmai Bazar traffic point to Longmai Common Ground, Longmai Part 1 and 2, NHIDCL PMU Noney Head Office and Noney District Police Reserved Line. The road has been severely damaged due to recent flooding. Frustrated by the prolonged inaction from the authorities, local residents took up the initiative as a proactive step towards restoring accessibility and safety in the area. The staffs have filled dangerous potholes of the roads with cement. The initiative was taken up under the guidance of Chief Supervisor of Makam Hospital. The hospital's managing board, along with patients, local residents and other concerned stakeholders, have jointly appealed to the local MLA, Noney District Headquarters and relevant authorities to take swift and decisive action in repairing the damaged roads.